Imagine this for a moment. You're driving through winding mountain roads, the air feels crisp, and your favorite music hums softly in the background. Through the window, tall pine trees dance with the wind, and sunlight glows on the dashboard. Behind you isn't just an empty space, it's your cozy little home on wheels. Your bed, your kitchen, everything you need to live, explore, and rest, all moving with you, wherever the road decides to go. That's the feeling you get with the Cliff 540 Adventure. A compact yet powerful motorhome that turns every trip into your own personal story. This isn't just a campervan, it's a statement of freedom, crafted for those who want simplicity, comfort, and the joy of exploring without limits. In this video, let's take a deep look at what makes the Cliff 540 Adventure stand out, from its rugged design and practical layout to its comfortable interiors and clever engineering. So sit back, relax, and imagine yourself behind the wheel, because by the end of this journey, you might just fall in love with this little giant. At first glance, the Cliff 540 Adventure looks subtle, but don't let that fool you. Built on the trusted Fiat Ducato chassis, this motorhome combines power with compact elegance. With a length of just 541 centimeters, it's shorter than many cars you see on the road, yet somehow, it hides a full home inside. It's easy to drive, park, and maneuver, even through narrow streets or sharp mountain turns. The width of 205 centimeters and height of around 261 make it just tall enough for comfort without feeling bulky. The citron white body with adventure decals gives it that clean, confident vibe, and the higher stance with 16-inch tires adds a rugged presence. Under the hood, the 2.2-liter engine delivers a solid 140 horsepower, giving you enough muscle for both highways and backcountry trails. It's practical, but also elegant, built for people who love the road more than the destination itself. Now, let's step inside, and the real magic begins. The moment you slide open the door, you'll notice the warmth and detail that went into every inch of this van. The Adventure Edition features soft furnishings in a tone called Cozy Cottage, paired with Mountain Lodge flooring and black-gray accents. It instantly feels like a modern cabin, not a metal box. The natural textures and LED lighting create that perfect evening glow, making the space feel personal, calm, and ready for a cup of coffee after a long drive. The lounging area is surprisingly inviting. Ergonomic seats with soft, shaped upholstery give genuine comfort, not the stiff feel you'd expect from a van. There's even a pedestal-style base beneath the seating that hides more storage compartments, because in a small space, every inch counts. Above the driver's cab, a spacious shelf lets you store bags, books, or travel gear neatly out of the way. And small details, like the fly-screen door and textile cab blinds, keep you comfortable, shaded, and insect-free wherever you camp. Everything here has been thought through. Nothing wasted, nothing unnecessary. And just a few steps away, you have a surprisingly capable kitchen setup. The Cliff 540's kitchen is compact, but perfectly arranged for real use. A large soft-close drawer for utensils, a flexible rail system with hooks for your cooking tools, and an ergonomic worktop that actually gives space to chop, prepare, and cook. The 2-burner gas hob with electric ignition and glass lid looks sleek and performs beautifully, and just beside it sits an 84-liter compressor fridge, big enough for a few days' worth of fresh food and cold drinks. There's a gentle LED light tube above the counter, which not only brightens the space but makes nighttime cooking feel calm and focused. With a 100-liter fresh water tank and a 90-liter waste tank, you can stay off-grid for days without worrying about running out or cleaning up. This kitchen is made for travelers who love to cook under the stars, but still want convenience and control. After a long day on the road, there's nothing better than stretching out and resting in a proper bed. And the Cliff 540 surprises again here. The main rear bed measures about 195 by 133 centimeters, perfectly wide for 2 people. It's supported by a partly slatted frame and covered with a high-quality mattress that feels closer to a home bed than a camper one. And if you ever travel with friends or family, you can expand your sleeping options. There's an optional middle bed and even a sleeping roof that adds another cozy double bed on top, turning your 2-person van into a 4-berth adventure base. Imagine waking up to a golden sunrise right outside your window, the soft sound of birds instead of alarm clocks, and fresh air filling the van. That's what this motorhome is built for. Those small, unforgettable moments that remind you what freedom feels like. And yes, even the bathroom is smartly designed. The Cliff 540 includes a fixed wash basin, a cassette toilet, and a roof vent with a fly screen for ventilation. The space feels clean, bright, and bigger than you'd expect. Everything has its place: storage shelves for essentials, LED lighting for a modern touch, and practical materials that are easy to clean after long trips. Above the living area, a central control panel gives you all the important info in one glance: battery status, water levels, and power usage, so you always know how your van is doing. To power your adventures, it comes with a high-performance, maintenance-free 95Ah AGM battery and a 12V/18A charger for both the vehicle and the leisure systems. There are two 30V sockets, USB ports, and even double charging points so you can keep your devices powered up anywhere you go. And for comfort during cold nights or early morning chills, the van features a Truma Combi 4 gas heating system, with options for electric or diesel upgrades depending on how you travel. The heating spreads evenly throughout the cabin, making it just as cozy in the Alps as it is on the beach. The gas locker can hold two 11-kilogram bottles, easy to access and neatly organized. Storage space in the Cliff 540 is genuinely impressive. There's a rear storage compartment with integrated lashing rings for securing luggage or bikes, multiple overhead cabinets for personal items, under-seat compartments for smaller gear, and even storage pockets in the sliding doors. Every detail is purposeful. And to back up its solid build, the manufacturer includes a 7-year water ingress warranty, proof of confidence in the quality and sealing of this van. But beyond all the practicality and numbers, it's the atmosphere that makes this motorhome feel special. Subtle LED reading lights near the beds, an illuminated step in the lounge, and recessed ceiling lights make the evenings feel calm and luxurious. Isofix points for child seats make it family-friendly, and double-glazed windows with blinds keep your interior warm in winter and cool in summer. Even small things, like the bulkhead step for the rear bed, show how much thought has gone into the design. This isn't a van trying to show off, it's a van designed to make your life easier, warmer, and more joyful on the move. What truly makes the Cliff 540 Adventure stand out is its balance. It doesn't chase flashy tech or unnecessary luxury. Instead, it focuses on real usability, premium craftsmanship, and smart design. It's built by people who actually camp, who understand that the best adventures are often the simplest ones. It's not about the biggest TV screen or the fanciest dashboard. It's about parking by a lake, opening the doors, and feeling that mix of peace and excitement that only the open road can bring. It's about waking up somewhere new, making coffee as the morning light pours in, and realizing that home can be anywhere you want it to be. So, let me ask you, if you had the Cliff 540 Adventure for 1 week, where would you take it first? Would it be the mountains, the coastline, or maybe deep into the forest where there's no signal, no noise, just you, your van, and the sound of nature? Tell us your dream destination down in the comments. I'd love to hear where your road would lead. The Cliff 540 Adventure isn't just a camper van, it's a symbol of freedom. It's a reminder that comfort doesn't have to mean staying still, that you can have warmth, security, and convenience while chasing the horizon. Every light, every cushion, every inch inside this van is built to make you feel at home, even when you're miles away from one. If you're dreaming of a van that's compact yet complete, practical yet stylish, and full of soul, then this might just be the perfect one for you. So, if you enjoyed exploring the Cliff 540 Adventure with us today, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more cinematic motorhome stories. Because out there, somewhere, the next road is already waiting. And remember, sometimes, home doesn't have 4 walls. Sometimes, home has 4 wheels.